iPad was locked. Passcode is incorrect. iPad is disabled because entered too many times wrong passcode. This video will show you how to bypass forgotten iPad passcode with PassFab iPhone Unlocker. You can go to our official website or just click the link in the description to download this software. Now connect your iPad to the computer and run PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Click Start button on the interface. Remove Screen Lock will erase all the data in your iPad. Click Next to continue. Then you will be required to put your iPad into recovery mode. Press and hold the power button and home button together until the iPad is in recovery mode. Then download the matching firmware. Once done, click Start Remove. After a while, you can unlock your iPad and set it up.